At Brock Solutions, we started manufacturing panels in Kitchener, Ontario in 1994. In 2007, we expanded to Irving, Texas, and since then have become one of the largest independent panel manufacturing operations in North America. Our market position is rooted in quality, and that comes down to workmanship and attention to detail. Our build teams are overseen by experienced project managers, and tasks are aligned with a structured build methodology. Products are designed, built, and tested to meet CSA, UL, CE, and our own in-house quality standards. Our quality assurance and engineering teams support advanced, full functional system testing. Every year, global leading companies across multiple industries look to Brock to deliver highly customized control panels, high-volume panel runs requiring fast turnaround, sub-assemblies, prefabricated control rooms and e-houses, complex design and build systems, equipment for highly regulated industries, and contract manufacturing services for fabrication programs. Whether you need small, medium, or large panels, or fully loaded packaged control rooms and e-houses, Brock invites you to open our doors to your next panel solution.